The Azocek 20V to 12V converter pack efficiently steps down power from modern cordless tool batteries to a stable 12V output for accessories and projects. Its design mates cleanly with common Dewalt-style 18V and 20V lithium packs, so it snaps on securely without wobble or awkward play. The built-in regulator is paired with a generous current rating and sensible power ceiling, making it suitable for demanding 12V loads like ride-on toys or work lights. Multiple electronic safeguards, including protection against excessive current, voltage spikes, overheating, and short circuits, help shield both your battery and connected devices from damage. A pre-wired fuse holder with a 30-ampere fuse and heat-resistant leads simplifies installation, so you can focus on routing the wiring instead of sourcing extra parts. Because it comes as a two-piece set and works with a wide variety of 12V gear, it is a practical way to extend the usefulness of existing tool batteries across vehicles, lighting, and hobby projects.